Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by waking the machine and verifying its state. Press a key or click the mouse. Next, open power and sleep or lock screen settings so you can change behavior now, not later. Look at whether your device is on battery or plugged in, because battery rules differ. Once here, inspect wake timers and recent system updates that might force sleep. Make sure to save work first. Changing power options can log you out or restart services. Now you change the core settings so the computer stops entering power save modes you don't want. On Windows, pick your active power plan, edit advanced settings, and set sleep and hibernate to never or a longer interval. On macOS, adjust energy saver or lock screen settings similarly. Disable hybrid sleep if it's causing resume failures, and enable wake on LAN or scheduled wake only if you require remote access. Once done, apply settings and test by leaving the device idle briefly to confirm behavior. Finish by ensuring drivers and firmware won't reintroduce the problem. Update display, chipset, and network drivers, because outdated drivers often force unintended sleep. Then reboot, and if needed, enter BIOS or UEFI to verify hardware-level power settings like wake events and restore defaults carefully. If the issue continues, make a fresh power plan or run built-in power diagnostics. One key troubleshooting tip: if the machine still sleeps unexpectedly, boot into safe mode to rule out third-party software and then test changes again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.